Here's a classic recipe for eggplant parmesan, melanzane alla Parmigiana. Ingredients. For the breaded eggplant: 2 large eggplants, peeled and sliced into 1/4 inch rounds. 2 cups all-purpose flour for dredging. 4 large eggs, beaten. 2 cups breadcrumbs, preferably Italian style. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Vegetable oil for frying. For the tomato sauce: 2 cans 28 ounces each, crushed tomatoes. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup fresh basil, chopped. Salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For layering: 1½ cups shredded mozzarella cheese. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Fresh basil leaves, for garnish, optional. Instructions. 1. Bread the eggplant. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In 3 separate shallow dishes, place the flour in one, the beaten eggs in another, and the mixture of breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper in the third. Dredge each eggplant slice in the flour, then dip it into the beaten eggs, and finally coat it with the breadcrumb mixture, pressing gently to adhere. 2. Fry the eggplant. In a large skillet, heat about 1/2 inch of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Carefully add the breaded eggplant slices in batches and fry until they are golden brown on both sides, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Place the fried eggplant slices on a plate lined with paper towels to drain excess oil. 3. Prepare the tomato sauce. In a saucepan, heat a bit of olive oil over medium heat. Add minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Pour in the crushed tomatoes and fresh basil. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Simmer the sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens. 4. Assemble the dish. In a baking dish, spread a thin layer of tomato sauce on the bottom. Place a layer of fried eggplant slices on top of the sauce. Sprinkle some mozzarella and grated Parmesan cheese on the eggplant. Repeat these layers until all the eggplant is used, finishing with a layer of cheese on top. 5. Bake. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and lightly browned. 6. Serve. Allow the eggplant parmesan to cool for a few minutes before serving. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, if desired. Serve hot and enjoy your delicious eggplant parmesan. Eggplant parmesan is a classic Italian dish that's hearty and satisfying, perfect for a comforting meal.